How come all of a sudden it's pure dead Rasta in Zion? When I never did a see it that way.
Welcome everyone. My name is Shakin Murray, and today I'm gonna reason with a very special guest, none other than Nuta BARUKA. And this reasoning is about Rastafariism in regards to Zion. Nuta BARUKA, welcome to the program. Greetings.
Greetings.
Okay, Nuta, my first question to you as an elder. Why going to Zion is so popular in the Rasta community?
You know, you have some little song where them sing, "I want to go Zion."
So when was the first time you heard about this Zion thing?
When we just started Rasta, I hear Rasta talk about Zion.
Initially, what did you learn about Zion in the Rasta camp?
And Zion is a older place, no sin can enter there.
After so many years of experience, Nuta, how do you view Zion today?
I have the opportunity to go to Zion in Jerusalem, the city of the great king, which was King David, according to how them write it.
Who are the them that wrote it?
When it say, the Bible say, Zion, it talk about a city.
City? Where is that?
In Jerusalem, or upon the outskirts of Jerusalem. It's a mountain top.
What, Nuta? Zion is a mountain top?
Not very tall mountain, because today you can find tourists venture up there.
Tourists? Me never knew that Zion accommodate tourists. I thought it was just a holy place.
I remember them show me one place and them said this is where David tomb is. I don't know what the hell them talking about, but me and Tony Rebel have the opportunity to go in there. I said, wow, David buried inside that. So
Nuta, what is your views on this whole Zion thing, King David tomb and all of that?
I joke business still, because for me check it. Anyway, Rasta talk about Zion over the years, and you know, him then shift from Jerusalem Zion to Ethiopia Zion. So most Rasta when them talk about Zion, them really are talk about Ethiopia as Zion. And the reason being is that we tend to have a Judeo-Christian mindset as it relates to Rastafari. And it's very difficult for Rastas to come out of that Judeo-Christian mindset, especially when him associate and validate most of him thinking with Judeo-Christianity. Now, I've recently can't remember one long time a whole heap of elder Rasta that them can't dead. Them not dead, and if you're dead, I show you're wicked. And yeah, them used to say that. For those of you who don't know that, them used to say, if you're wicked, if you're dead, I show you're wicked. And them not say that. Yet still, since we hear that, I are Rasta nearly 50 years now, over 50 years now, I see a whole heap of ones who used to say dead. And even Peter Tosh should have said him can't dead. I remember Peter Tosh said him can't dead till his wife started believe that she can't dead neither. And now we say, him gone. No, why me I bring up that? Rasta must stop talking about when a Rasta dead him gone to Zion. It's foolishness. And it's the only way you say that is because you think in the heaven perspective where you start to claim say, instead of you say heaven, you say Zion. So you're a Rasta, you say Zion. Christians say heaven. You say, well, him gone to a better place. Oh, you know, say it's a better place. When a Rasta say a man, a Rasta dead and him gone to Zion. How come all of a sudden it's pure dead Rasta in Zion?
Yes, Nuta. Give thanks for the reasoning and keep up the good works. Black people need you, and so do the rest of the world. Okay, people, this is Shakin Murray, and I'm out.